Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone meets requirements and that you're signed into your Google account. Once done, open Play Store and install or update the Gemini-enabled app. Grant microphone and storage permissions so the model can process voice and files. Make sure location and background activity permissions are set if you plan to use context-aware features. Now launch Gemini and complete any in-app onboarding dialogues so you're ready to send your first prompt or voice input. Once the app is open, select chat or voice mode depending on how you prefer to interact. You should test the microphone briefly to ensure clear capture. Use a headset for noisy environments. Upload images or documents when you need multimodal answers. Gemini will analyze them and combine results with text prompts. Then adjust settings such as response length, creativity, and safety filters to tune outputs. These controls change how concise or exploratory the model's reply. To wrap up, save useful replies by copying, sharing, or pinning them to quick notes so you can reference outputs later. Make sure to manage your chat history and privacy settings, clear history or export data if needed. If Gemini hiccups, restart the app and check that microphone, storage, and network permissions are intact. Also confirm the app and Android are up to date. If problems persist, toggle airplane mode briefly and reconnect to force a fresh network handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.